OCO and bracket orders are a powerful way to automate your trades and define risk. These orders work by linking two opposite exit orders together, typically a take profit and stop loss. Once one order executes, the other is automatically canceled. Let's cover how to place these orders on the MetroTrader Web platform. The easiest way to do this is by using the trade bar, which you can find at the top of the chart widget. Here you'll find buttons for placing limit and stop orders for creating entries and bracket orders at a specific price level, as well as buy and sell market buttons to enter with bracket orders at the current price. To set your bracket order levels, check the TP and SL boxes. You'll be able to set how many contracts you want to exit with, and most importantly, the number of ticks to offset your orders by. If you want to preview what a bracket looks like before you place it, click the limit or stop button and it'll preview where the orders will be placed. If you want to preview a market order, simply mouse over the button and it'll show you where they'll be placed. Now let's enter a position using a bracket order. I'm going to click Sell Market to immediately take a short position with my stop loss 10 ticks away and my take profit 20 ticks away. It'll show you a preview of your orders, then you can click Create Orders. If you find that you want to adjust your stop loss or take profit levels, simply drag and drop them on the chart. Now let's let the trade run until it triggers one of our orders. If you'd like to start trading live futures, open an account today at MetroTrade.com.